DMM setup menu demonstration video. In this video, we will show you how to change a number of non-volatile preset features in the U1270 series. Modifying these settings affects the general operation of your multimeter across several functions. To enter the setup menu, press the setup button for at least 1 second. Press and hold the setup button again to exit the setup menu. Press the left or right arrow buttons to step through the menu items. When editing preset values, you can use left or right arrow buttons to position the cursor on a numerical digit. Press arrow up or down at each menu item to change the preset value. The menu item on the secondary display will flash to indicate that you can now change the values shown in the primary display. When the menu item is flashing, press this button to save your changes, and press this button to discard your changes. We will now demonstrate how to access and modify the settings for 4 key functions: beep frequency, backlight alert, auto power off timeouts, and backlight timeout. Beep frequency. The beeper alert setting is the first item on the setup menu. The multimeter's beeper alerts users to the presence of circuit continuities, operator errors such as incorrect lead connections for the selected function, and newly detected values for max, min, and peak recordings. You can choose 4 preset frequencies from the menu. They are 3200 Hz, 3491 Hz, 3840 Hz, and 4267 Hz. To disable the beeper feature, simply select off. Auto power off timeouts. The U1270A is designed with auto power off timeouts, which automatically turns off the handheld if the rotary switch is not moved or a key is not pressed for 15 minutes. Pressing any key will turn the multimeter back on after it is powered off automatically. You can change the timeout period or completely disable the automatic power off function by selecting the APO setting on the setup menu, which will be displayed on the secondary display. Press arrow up or down to select the auto power off timing from 1 second to 99 seconds, or disable the function completely by setting it to off. If you select to off, the multimeter's battery might go flat if left unattended for long periods of time. Backlight alert. The next function is the U1270 series backlight alert. The handheld's backlight will flash to alert users to the presence of circuit continuities and operator errors such as incorrect lead connections. An example of an incorrect lead connection is when the multimeter is set to take voltage measurement, but the test lead is attached to the current input terminal. To access this function, scroll through the setup menu until the AB lit is displayed on the secondary display. Press arrow up or down to turn it on or off. Backlight timeout. The backlight timeout is another display function. If viewing the display becomes difficult in low light conditions, a short press of the setup button will activate the LCD backlight. To conserve battery life, a user adjustable timeout controls how long the backlight stays on. The default timeout is 15 seconds. You can change the backlight timeout on the setup menu. Scroll until B lit appears on the secondary display and press the arrow up or arrow down to change the backlight setting from 1 second to 99 seconds, or disable it completely by selecting off.